Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "can't set up the recorder now, please try again later" issue on WhatsApp. So first off, what you'd want to do is to check your microphone permissions. So to do this, open your phone settings, head to Apps or App Management, select WhatsApp, tap on Permissions, and ensure microphone is set to allow. Next, you can try clearing the WhatsApp cache. So to do this, open your settings, head to Apps, select WhatsApp, tap on Storage, and then clear cache. Next, you can also try disabling Bluetooth. So just swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings menu. Tap the Bluetooth icon to turn it off. Another thing you can do is updating your operating system. So to do this, just head to your settings, scroll down and select About Device or Software Update. Tap on Check for Updates and install any available updates. Now make sure to update your WhatsApp or keep the WhatsApp up to date. So to do this, open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for WhatsApp, and then tap on Update if there's an update available. Now lastly, of course, you can try restarting your phone, so just press and hold the power button and then select Restart. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.